Oh, the alcohol's thing.
It's not coming up!
Oh, yeah.
Get off me!
Don't throw up. Don't be sick in here. Johnny's just pissed on someone's foot.
You get out my face, and you get out
Get
my
the
face.
cross.
Oh dear. Jimmy, what are you cooking anyway? Camera rolling. Action.
Who the fuck are you?
Welcome to another episode of What Are You Even Cooking Anyway? With me, your host, Nick Powers. Bit of a different one today. Our contestants aren't going to be cooking the same thing. So we've got Shiney and we've got Jamie. Jamie's done some cooking in the past. He's done a cookery show called Too Many Fucks. Shiney, how's your cooking ability?
I am the best. I started learning about a week ago.
This evening we've got an easy one for Shiney. He's going to be making a croissant from scratch and his own jam. The concept goes, Shiney knows what he's making. Jamie hasn't seen the ingredients, he doesn't know what he's making. He's got more of a kind of culinary ability than so I've just bought him a load of random things and we'll see if he can make a dish out of it. Sweet potato, avocado, peppers,
A big swinging dick.
so far so good, some corned beef, one golden vegetable savoury rice, and then I was gonna get you some more meat, but I thought, fuck it, let's get you some chicken.
Oh no.
Cat
What? Dog food.
It was the taste.
Absolutely not.
Sucks to be you.
Not suitable for human consumption. We'll deal with this one later. We'll start on the sound of the klaxon.
Hang on, whoa. I don't know how to make croissants.
He wants me to improvise.
What do you think? Should Shine be allowed
I
to
think
do
you
his
need to
first
three
round?
lifelines. Ask the audience, phone a friend, and whatever the
Shall we
other
give him
is.
three?
Have a
Sorry,
shot.
and this is the first time that we filmed it with a live studio audience. Yay! On the sound of the klaxon.
What do I do? You twist it. I'm from a Blackburn family. Corned beef is a regular in my house. And dog food. I'm just gonna make an omelette. Fuck it.
I don't think it has that many eggs in it.
It does now. I'll tell you, I'll scoop one out. I don't want to lose all my egg. I'll do.
It's right, I can't open a tin, so we're off to a good start.
Hey, what did you just find there, mate?
Oh.
You just threw it aside.
I use my first lifeline, please.
Yeah.
How'd you make dough?
Flour and water.
Oh, so I don't need these eggs
Have you
then?
got yeast?
Right, pastry.
Is that yeast?
No, is it?
Yeah, easy
Yeah,
baked
man.
yeast. Just one? Sachet? Two sachets?
You just want me to do Sainsbury's and get some croissants?
Yeah, please.
Jay, how are you getting on with this 10?
Definitely foreign to me.
Oh, it's very fragrant, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
I can't even get into my yeast.
Wait, if this was from the butter, where's the one from the flour? That's what
Is it in there? What am I looking for? I don't
Oh,
have
no,
any
it's
shot
another
yet.
one, it's another shot.
Oh, great.
Bottoms up.
What's the two?
The video said the water needs to be 100 degrees when you're using your, what? Fahrenheit?
Oh, you dickhead.
Well, he didn't fucking say that, did he? Oh, does this count as a lie?
It does sound like you're using
Right, second life then.
Room time making sandcastles there, mate.
Well, I was just thinking, is it enough?
Well, you saying that gives me a hint that it might not have been.
You're such a long way from croissants.
Oh, look at that.
It's on a need-to-know basis.
What is... Mate, I think I found that shot.
Clear,
Feed the boy. Nick, would you please do a young gentleman a favour and just pour some flour in this bowl for me? Stop! Is this normal? Is this what dough's supposed to do?
Oh my gosh.
Hey, keep your mess over there, big boy.
Whoa, whoa. I've just been physically moved by my rival here, Nick.
Yeah.
Well, you did stand on that fucking side.
Is that enough flour?
I don't know, you fucking tell me.
You're the cook, man.
I can't feel my hands, Nick. Nick Powers.
Shiny!
Our favourite host, Nick Powers.
Why is your name Shiny?
So in ice hockey, which is my native sport, not really native sport because Blackburn only do fucking picking cotton. That's a thing. We were famous for our cotton picking.
Don't think you can say that on YouTube.
Yeah, you can. Blackburn is famous for its cotton factories. That's a real thing. Anyway,
See, I lived in America, and picking cotton in America is a very bad thing.
No. You are assuming that a certain genre of people are picking cotton, Jamie.
Yes.
And that is where the racism starts. Did I mention a specific group of people, or did you assume I meant certain people?
Hey, I'm just fucking
Yeah.
Oh, the alcohol's
Just move that.
And on that bombshell,
As a willing contestant to your ever-growing YouTube channel. Right, Nick, as a willing contestant who's willing to contribute to your ever-growing YouTube channel, is there any chance we could slow down on them shots? Because I am still at level 1 and I have no idea what I'm doing. And I'm getting drunker and drunker every second.
I don't know, internet, you be the judge. Shall we slow down?
Nick,
Absolutely not.
can I please have some more flour?
Okay, Jamie, right, we haven't heard much out of you in a while.
That's for a reason.
Where are we?
Cooking. We're gonna take this stuff. We're gonna put it over there in a pan.
We've got a bit more room
A
now.
little bit of butter, a little bit of stuff, you know, season it up.
I don't know how dough is supposed to feel. I just know that it's sticking to my life, Nick. I don't know what's happening.
It's wrong.
Right, well, give me more flour then. This is bullshit. Stop!
Okay, Jamie, is this a stock? Oh no, this is the rice, isn't it?
Yeah, so we've
We're starting to get some fucking movement here now. Look at this. Yeah! No.
The neighbours.
The neighbours can suck.
You found a shot inside one of the peppers, or you should have. I sliced one of the peppers open through the bag, and then I shoved this shot card inside.
How do I get this
I like-
off my hands? Because I've been trying for at least 10 minutes and I can't do it. I can't get it
Fucking
off.
hell, man!
I've got bigger things to worry about here, Nick, than your stupid alcohol because you're an alcoholic.
I'm not drinking it. There you go, mate. Clean as you go.
Let's go. This is what we do in the kitchen.
Yeah, Jamie's still chopping professionally and I'm still struggling.
The bowl's not supposed to come up.
Mate, you focus on your meal and I'll focus on mine, Jamie. It's not coming up!
Oh, fuck me.
Oh my god.
Please stop laughing. I am just trying to get to the next step of my croissant adventure. I'm just trying. Right? So you're not laughing that way, Jamie. You're starting to get scared. I'm picking it up as I go along.
My
Nice.
boy's licked, you know.
We need to slow down on these two shots.
Yeah, then. Oh, fuck off, Nick.
We might as well finish it.
Oh, we might as well, eh?
might as well.
Oh, help me. Help me!
No, fuck off.
Nick, please help me.
To
Roll
do
my sleeve
what?
up. Roll my sleeve up, obviously! A fucking...
Wines, man.
Usually, if I've made a mistake, I'll take it on the gym. But...
Right, shut up a
I-
second.
I
Jamie,
think
what are
it's
you
your
doing
fault.
here? Are you saving the water as a sort of a
Nick,
stop?
Nick,
What's the progress?
Shiney, shut the
can
fuck up!
Can you please pour some more flour? I can't do it myself, I got shit stuck to me.
I'm trying to make the fucking cat food taste better, man. We're gonna shave this potato down.
I
We're gonna turn it into like
yeah.
hash browns. Hash browns. Mix these all together in it. Crack some eggs on top, bit of cheese. Bam, done in the oven. Good to go.
Not your first run-in with hash, is it, Jamie?
Not in this lifetime.
Right, let's get you. You want some greaseproof paper then,
No,
mate?
yeah. Yeah, do, yeah. Jamie, I think you're like a... Am I bleeding? Am I bleeding because there's blood in this?
That's red wine.
Is it red wine?
Yeah.
It might be red wine. It's alright.
Right, drop what you're doing for a sec. We're just gonna play a little mini game. We're gonna bet on some horses. Do you like racing?
I love
Well, you do now. Let's go. Run through.
Go on then.
Oh, I see what he's done there. The pivot. Now that is impressive.
Which one's had the biggest turd before the race? I'm gonna go red.
Right, Shiny red. Jamie blue. Right.
That's my name, Nick.
Do you want to
Are you ready?
Come on!
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, fuck off! Heads up to the
dear,
top!
come on. Hang on.
Technical malfunction.
I'm back in the race.
Handbrake turn!
Handbrake turn. I can't handle another shot. Just me.
Jamie wins it. Congratulations. Shot for my boy Shine.
I just like the second congratulations.
I don't know if I'm going to use the oven, but we're comparing it. Just in
Well,
case.
I hope it's at the right temperature for croissants.
Me too. Where's the freezer? Why have we got a shot? I didn't find a shot card.
Well, you signed up for this show.
Sportsman to sportsman. Even though I'm gonna wipe the floor with you.
You don't.
So you're.
Hang on, this is part of it.
Rolling your butter.
The beef is so good. Still smells like shit.
Man, that beef stinks, man.
Do me a favour.
Shiny, how you getting on with your jam?
Do you know what? I kind of forgot that I had to make jam.
It could be great.
So apparently the knife I was using was too expensive.
So it's been downgraded to a cheap knife. If you actually make one croissant.
Nick, what do you mean? What?
We're changing things up last minute, guys.
He's making an omelette. You're making an omelette.
No. We're just making it exciting.
Exciting.
Good. Do the shot.
Can I have some sugar, please?
Some shit that's like really
jam- Magic.
because I've really
Oh, there
got
we
the
go. Can you please stop fucking crossing over my half?
You are so lit.
Whose wine is that?
Nick,
Right, that's chili flakes going into a hashy, sweet potatoey, peppery mix. That should be quite tasty in the end of it.
Yeah, I didn't hear that.
Hey,
What a
man.
shock. Should be quite tasty, isn't it?
Okay, go on.
I will ask you a question when there is
Every time that you speak, it takes like 3 times longer than normal.
Yeah.
Let's go.
because I like to be clear and concise.
Is he having a stroke?
What's funny, mate?
Ew, you're hilarious.
I've got my dough, I've got my butter, I've got my jam.
I'm giving you a tip. I would take your dough out of the freezer before it freezes. When it freezes, you won't be able to do anything with it.
There's an idea.
Can we
Johnny, you can't put real jam in your actual
No,
shit
what?
jam.
Don't find him.
But more importantly, fuck the jam.
Hang
fuck
on.
the jam.
Wait, it's
What you
me?
put your jam on.
This guy thinks he is going to win.
What are you gonna put your jam on?
This guy thinks he's gonna win.
You don't have anything.
I'm finding my fucking dough.
He can't even remember what shelf it was on.
Get
No, he needs a
off
quick-
me!
I'll be ready in like 5 minutes. When should we be ready?
I'm not working to your fucking format. I'm working to Nick's format.
Alright, you need to have courses ready in 5 minutes.
Yeah, you've got mine.
I'm not gonna do that. Mine is also ready to almost go in the fucking oven. Jamie, where's my jam? Give me my jam.
You
Give me
two
my
will-
fucking
no,
jam.
No, whoa.
Wait, that's not the jam.
Did I ask for input or did I say that the jam is ready to go on?
Whoa, what are you doing?
Did I say
What the fuck are
make
you
my
doing?
Let's put this in the oven.
Right, mate, let's just get this together. Put this on. Let's roll it with. Oh my. Can you just look at the camera and say, I'm Shiny Lingwood and this is what you were cooking in?
The paper is what's holding it together.
The most drunk I've ever seen you ever.
I'm sorry.
Don't throw up. Don't be sick in here. Right, let's pull it back together. Joe's croissant's gonna be in at least like what, half an hour. We'll have Jay's out first, and we'll all try Jay's dog food bonanza.
It's not fucking dog food.
And then we'll try the croissant. Even worse than what you were cooking anyway. Shiny's just pissed on someone's foot.
We've had equal amounts of shots, and look who's standing still.
I'm still standing. Yeah.
For now,
Jimmy, what have you been cooking anyway?
Food.
Do you put the jam in first or afterwards? First.
Guys, welcome to Jamie Thompson's cooking show. And we've done this egg thing. Right? We put
Nice boxers, dickhead. It smells great, I think.
God, man, that's awful. I'm joking. It's interesting. You've worked with ingredients that you wouldn't have to work with before.
I think you've done really well what you got, Jay.
Yeah, I think you have as well.
It's going to be served in an avocado.
Oh shit.
That's gonna change everything.
Welcome back to what are you even cooking anyways? This should change all because it gives it the creamy texture we wouldn't.
Yeah, we've been missing.
So right now,
Isn't it?
Jamie's corned beef hash going down like a storm. Shiny can't keep anything down right now. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a round of applause for Shiny. He's bringing it home.
Just like the prodigal son, Avatar.
Get your croissant in the oven. Get out my face. You get out my face. And you get out my face. Get the croissant out of the oven, man.
It's fully edible and it's quite good. I'm enjoying it.
Man, it's alright, man.
Shiny. Thank you.
Guys, hold on. Wait. Put yourself together, right? We've had the privilege of cooking together with two very different experience skills. Right? He had the harder dish, I'll give him that. Baking and pastry is really, really hard. To be honest, to get to the point where you have is that you've done a really good job. You're a fuck now though. Like,
Wait until we get the monstrosity
Hey,
out of the
taste
oven.
test.
It's a big boy croissant, isn't it? It's so much bigger than you left it.
Here we are, lads.
Oh dear.
Why is Jamie cutting him?
And just like that, the shot glass is gone. Okay, ready?
It's pretty good, to be honest. It's more like a scone.
There's no one near as gone. It's like a piece of fucking bread.
But it's got the jam in it.
We had Jay turn out with his hashish surprise. Do you know what? It actually tasted alright. I was stitching you up. And you did alright with it. You did alright with it.
You did a good job.
Shiny, I didn't think I was stitching him up as much. However, this is his croissant. He's back in the toilet. So, do you know what? I'm not going to declare a winner on this one because I don't think it was a fair contest. I don't think it was a fair contest.
Fuck
I
off.
would've- He had a way harder task than you.
It was easy. Sorry, ultimately, guys, as fans, Nick is wrong.
What have we tried to do here? We've tried to pair a culinary chef against someone that can't cook. How did we fare? Well, it fared exactly how we thought it was going to fare, didn't it?
Take that camera and